Administration. Meaning. Administration refers to the process or activity of managing, organizing, or overseeing the operations and affairs of an organization, institution, or system. Definition. Administration is a noun that describes the act of directing or supervising tasks, especially in business, government, or other organized systems. Examples in sentences. 1. The new administration is focusing on improving public healthcare services. Here, administration refers to the group of people managing government operations. 2. Effective administration of resources help the company achieve its goals. In this sentence, administration refers to the management of resources efficiently. Usage. Administration is widely used in contexts like governance, business management, and institutional operations.
English practice.